Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss how we can raise exceptions in Python by using the raise keyword. The raise keyword is used to raise an exception. You can define what kind of error to raise and the text to print to the user. Okay, so let's see that in action. First of all, let's work with the generic exceptions here. So what I can do, I can declare a variable positive number equals to, let's do 2 right now. And now we want to check if positive number is less than 0, then we can just print right now like, hey, you can not provide a number less than 0. Okay, all right. And here else print like your number is all good. Okay, all right. So now if I just run the program, we are getting your number is all good. But now if I just do something like -1, something like that, run the program, we are getting, hey, you cannot provide a number less than 0. That is good, but this is not an error, right? This is a print statement. So how we can raise an exception here? We can do that by using the raise keyword. So raise, and after that we have to add the exception. So okay, we have to use the exception class basically. Okay, so here inside of the exception we can pass this message. All right, now if I run the program, as you can see, we are getting a proper error message like, hey, here on line 11, raise exception, hey, you cannot provide a number less than 0. And here we are getting the exception, which is the generic exception, basically the generic error in Python. Hey, you cannot provide a number less than 0. Okay, so this is all good, and this is how we can raise an exception in Python. Okay, all right. Now this is the generic exception, right? But we can use the value error and the type error as well. So how we can do that? Let's see that right now. So I will comment out this one right now, and let's do something like this. So x equals to something like hello. Okay, or let's do number equals to hello. That will be a little bit more clear. Now if not the type of number is integer, okay, now we can raise an exception. So raise, we can do something like this, exception as well. But here, as you can see, the type are not matching up, right? The type of number is not an integer, it is a string currently right now. So in that case, the type error might be the proper error type, right? So type error, and inside of that we can pass our custom message. So here we can say only integers are allowed. All right, and then else we can do something like print like your number is all good. Okay, all right. Now first of all, let's provide a proper number, something like 2. Run the program, we are getting your number is all good. All right, now if I just provide hello instead of a number here, run the program, as you can see, we are getting a type error like, hey, only integers are allowed, and this is a proper error. Okay, So in that way, we can use the type error, we can use the value error, and so on and so forth. All of the errors which we have seen in the last video, basically the common errors, we can use them to raise a custom exception or the custom error by using the raise keyword in Python. Okay, awesome. So in this video, we have learned about the raise keyword and how to raise custom exceptions in Python.